the crispy heart of a KitKat. The wafer baking process is indeed fascinating and holds the key to that perfect crunch. Batter blending. The journey begins with a precise recipe of flour, sugar, milk, and leavening agents like baking powder or sodium bicarbonate. These ingredients are carefully mixed to create a smooth batter with the perfect consistency for baking. Continuous baking. Unlike your oven at home, KitKat wafers are baked on a continuous baking line. Heat and travel. As the plates travel through the tunnel, they pass over a series of gas flames or electric heating elements. This intense heat dries out the batter and cooks it into a light and crispy wafer. Precise control. The temperature and speed of the plates are carefully controlled throughout the process. This ensures that the wafers bake evenly and consistently, achieving that perfect balance between crispness and chew. Cooling and stacking. Once they emerge from the tunnel, the hot wafers are immediately cooled on a conveyor belt with chilled air. This prevents them from becoming brittle and ensures they retain their perfect texture. Cutting and shaping. Finally, the cooled wafers are cut into the familiar rectangular shapes you see in a KitKat bar using special cutting machines. These machines ensure precise dimensions and consistent quality. The baking process is incredibly fast, with a single KitKat wafer being baked in mere seconds. The exact recipe and baking parameters are closely guarded secrets by Nestlé, contributing to the unique taste and texture of KitKat wafers. The molding process line. It's where the molten chocolate meets the crispy wafers, and where the iconic four-finger shape comes to life. The journey begins with preheating specially designed molds, often made of food-grade plastic or metal. Chocolate tempering. Meanwhile, the melted chocolate goes through a crucial process called tempering. This involves carefully controlling the heating and cooling cycles to achieve the perfect texture and shine for the chocolate coating. The tempered chocolate is then pumped into high-tech depositor heads, equipped with nozzles that precisely pour the liquid gold into the preheated molds. The amount of chocolate is carefully controlled to ensure a consistent coating and thickness. Wafer feeding. As the chocolate settles, a conveyor belt delivers perfectly cut wafer fingers, the crispy heart of the KitKat. These wafers are precisely positioned onto the chocolate base, ensuring perfect alignment and a seamless sandwich. Final touch of chocolate. Once pre-cooled, the KitKats receive their final layer of chocolate, covering the top and sealing the delicious package. This top coat adds another layer of smooth, decadent chocolate goodness. Final cooling and demolding. The fully formed KitKats enter a final cooling tunnel, solidifying the chocolate and ensuring a clean snap upon breaking. Finally, the bars are gently demolded and prepared for wrapping and packaging. These high-tech molding lines can churn out hundreds of KitKats per minute, a testament to the incredible efficiency and precision behind this beloved treat. The final touch of magic that transforms a delicious chocolate bar into a ready-to-enjoy treat, the KitKat wrapping and packaging process. Individual wrapping. Each KitKat emerges from the cooling tunnel and embarks on its solo journey. High-speed aluminum foil wrapping machines gently enfold each bar, creating a protective barrier that preserves freshness and flavor. Quality control. Throughout the wrapping and packaging process, rigorous quality checks ensure every KitKat meets the highest standards. Sensors and cameras scan for imperfections like tears in the foil, broken bars, or misaligned packaging. Any KitKat that doesn't pass the inspection is removed from the line and recycled, ensuring only the best quality products reach consumers. These machines are marvels of engineering, capable of wrapping hundreds of KitKats per minute with incredible accuracy. The foil is heat-sealed to ensure a secure and tamper-proof closure. Depending on the final product, the individually wrapped KitKats are then grouped together to form multi-packs. For larger packs, the bars may be stacked or nestled into specially designed cardboard or plastic inserts. The goal is to create a secure and stable arrangement that protects the KitKats during transportation and storage. Outer packaging. The multi-pack trays or sleeves are then wrapped in a colorful and informative outer packaging. This could be a cardboard box, a plastic film, or even a paper sleeve, depending on the specific product and market. Robotic arms gently pick and place the bars onto cardboard trays or plastic sleeves, ensuring a neat and appealing arrangement. Did you know that the name KitKat comes from a phrase used by workers in the early days of production, "KitKat, give me a break"? The iconic four-finger design was chosen for its easy grip and portability. Over 2 billion KitKats are produced every single day. So, the next time you enjoy a KitKat, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it has taken to reach your hands. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content.